What's good, family? It's your boy, Mr. P, and welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. Let's pay some bills real quick. Shout out to our sponsors over there at Pimpin' Ain't Easy. As you know, we are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. If you have not locked in, make sure you go to pimpinainteasy.com and join the free profit channel. It's absolutely free, and make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game in Sway Markets, family. All right, make sure you get your accounts loaded up. Today is Sunday. We will have a profitable week. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so we've been on ACAT for a while. We've been buying ACAT. ACAT sold on us on Friday. Today is Sunday the 15th, but on Friday, it got a little bit bearish. This is the monthly time frame. So what we would like to see is this monthly candle, which closes in 16 days. We want to see it close above this candle or this one of the two. All right. It's going to either close above this candle, okay, which is about there, or this candle. That's what we want to see. We want to see this push up for the next 2 weeks. We got about a little bit over 2 weeks left in this candle. We definitely want to see price get up there. But as you can see, it could potentially come touch this bottom here. It hasn't touched this one yet, but this is what we would like to see. Yeah. So the daily did not close below this previous low, right? So it's respecting this area. We would love to see a push up. That would be nice. So that's what we're looking for on ACAT. We have entries here. We're currently in the red. We want this thing to push up, all right? So be on the lookout for ACAT for buys. I would love to see buys on ACAT. ACAT. All right, so be on the lookout for that. All right, so let's go down our checklist. This is what we was in for the week last week. Let's just go down our watch list. All right, so CJ bought up. It's been buying up for all last week. It bought up. So almost 2 weeks now it's been buying, but before that it was definitely selling for the week prior. So what we're looking for in this 4 hour is we're looking for price to come up to this order block right here and drop down. So this is the play we're looking for on CJ. We're patiently waiting for this to play out. Do I got an alert down here? Let me see if I got an alert down here. No. Okay, make one. See if we got any alerts left. Okay, CJ. All right, CJ, we want to go ahead and definitely keep an eye on that. Send that to the chat. CJ. All right. All right, let's move on to NJ. NJ fed us real good. Listen, we ate so good off NJ last week, man. This was a beautiful drop. This drop was phenomenal. I can't even lie. This might have been the play of the week. I can't even lie. Bounced off that zone. Almost 200 pips and running. This was a beautiful play. Let's just send a copy of that. Boom, boom, boom. NJ after. Okay, so NJ, let me, okay, so NJ after. Let me show you the prior really quick. Let me show you the before. All right, so we was definitely looking at NJ. Boom, we was patiently waiting on this play, right? And this is back in, this is October 10th, right? We wanted this to sell down in this area. And family, smacked all our take profits and some. So that's truly a blessing. Came to our zone, sniper entry. All right. All these TPs got smacked. Okay, that was a nice play last week. Yes, sir. It played out very nicely. So yeah, that was beautiful, NJ. All right, boom. That was nice. Shout out to God. All right, EA. EA is not in our zone at all. See how this weekly closed. Oh, wait, it might just be. Let's see. I don't like this this double bearish. So we got a bearish and then a bullish. I would love for price to respect this, but it may shoot up here a little bit. Just keep your eye on EA. Keep your eye on EA. It just might do something crazy. It just might. It just might sell out that block. But we got another sell zone up here we're looking at, I do believe, potentially off of the daily. Yeah. So if price can come up here, we're looking for it. That first sell zone might be a fake out and then do a quick grab and then shoot back down. So be on the lookout for this though. Yeah. I don't know about this first sell zone. It's suspect to me. It's suspect. But we're gonna rock with this though. We're gonna rock with this one. It may just drop right here, family. You know what? It may just do the drizzy. I can't lie. Can't even lie. It may just drop right here, family. It may just drop right here. It may just. So just keep an eye on that. The reason I say that is because was once support, it's now resistance. Was once resistance is now support. So as you can see here, this was a rejection area, right? So that was a resistance at some point. Then it became a support, right? The price was bouncing off of it, right? Now it's back at it. Okay, so we probably can potentially get that pushed down. I would just keep an eye on it and just be careful. You know, risk to reward is important, but you know, it break this, then it's going up top. But I want to see it sell, excuse me, off this zone right here. So keep an eye on EA. ECAD. ECAD is not in our area. Let's check out this monthly time frame. Yeah. We still waiting on this drop. We're still waiting on this drop down here for the buy up. So we're not looking at ECAD. EG has not broken our box yet. As you can see, this weekly zone, It's getting respected. We waiting on price to still come out of the zone. Whichever way it breaks is the way we gonna take, all right? Whichever way it breaks is the way we gonna take. E.g., whichever way it breaks is the way we gonna take. All right, we let price come to you, don't rush it. All right, EJ been playing in this zone. I haven't sold it. We haven't done anything with it. That's because we have another zone up here that we're waiting on that we would love to see get hit. All right, which is all the way up top here. So price is in a tricky area. We'd love to see price come bounce off this zone and then do the drizzy. Right now it's been consolidating. It's been consolidating heavy for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, maybe about 2 months. It's been just consolidating right here. So we should get a breakout soon. I would love to see price come down here first and then push up. But as you can see, it already kind of tested this area. If we can get one more test, I would definitely buy off this zone and see if we can take it back up top. So those are my thoughts on EJ, EN off the weekly. We're looking for price to come up here and sell back down. We did get the break off the trend. Boom, 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 break. We're looking for the retest and then the continuation. So just be on the lookout for the continuation to the downside. I would love to see price probably bounce off this area here and then get little. So that would be nice. We can get a retest off this trend. Listen. Then once it breaks here, we can potentially get a retest off of this because this was a nice support level. So if this breaks, boom, we can get the retest here. But this trend has been broken, right? So we can get in off that retest to the downside. So be on the lookout for that. It looks like it got a little push up, a little bit pushing more to do. And then I think you'll be able to take that to the upside. I mean, take that to the bearish side. That'd be nice. So keep an eye out for that. Would love to see that play out nicely. Break and retest, you know? So take a picture of that. EN. Okay, EN bet. Let's see what else we got going on. GA on this weekly. It looked like it's respecting this level. It did sell a little bit, but not how we wanted it to. Let's check out this monthly. Okay. EA might sell the rest of the month just because of this order block. I don't see it respected this zone, sniped it nicely. I would love to see price come up here, but I'm not sure, man. This is a nice level of support right here. This once resistance is now support, as you can see, for the past 5 months. The price has been bouncing off this area. So if we do get the push up, cool. But I do like this engulfing zone here. Maybe we can get that push down. Let me see my engulfing indicator. Turn that on real quick. Okay, hold on. Hold on. All right, bro. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. It's in a tricky area. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. Oh yes. Oh yes. So that's 150 pips. CAD. We've been selling CAD since up here. Wish we were still holding it, but you know, you gotta take it back. You got to take it back. Our first sale zone was here. 700 pips and running. Smack TP3, TP4, TP5. So we're looking for more sales for the continuation to the bearish side. It's bouncing off this monthly zone pretty nicely. So keep an eye on GBP CAD. You probably can find an entry on a smaller time frame. All right. Okay, we waiting on GJ for the long term. You want to take this bad boy back down, right? Just waiting on prices. Price hasn't closed above this yet. It's been respecting this level, but this the push up we waiting on for the drop down. All right, this is the monthly time frame, family. All right, GN as well. GN as well. Keep an eye out for GN. Can potentially sell the rest of the month as well. As you see right here, this is a nice area we might have to get in that. We just might have to get in that. 16 more days. 16 more days. We got 16 more days in this monthly. See if we can maximize that. That'll be a nice drop back down here. Ooh, getting excited just thinking about it, man. Out of DXY been tricky. We got bullish on us last week at the last day of the week, right? They came down here, then they got bullish. Crazy. It just bounced off that zone. All right, so gold, it's been just recklessly buying. We bought right here. We bought at 1814, smack TP at 1900. Now we on to the next. US 30, waiting on sales off this zone. All right. Waiting on sales right off of this zone right here at 34.6. It may not come back. It may just tank. It may just drop. It may just drop. So keep an eye on that indices for the drop, but we probably get a push up we want. We can't wait for this sale right here. That's gonna be nice, I do believe. Oil, definitely looking to buy oil. It's bounced off our zone. We bought it. If it comes down a little bit deeper, we looking for buys on oil. All right, so keep your head on the swivel. And let me check my USDs. So boom. USD CAD. USD CAD, I do believe we off this 4 hour with it. Yeah, we waiting on this sale off this 4 hour. Yeah. All right. UCAD. All that stress about that. Hey, all that stress about that. UCAD. AU tricky. AU, we still in this buy. It closed reckless on this 4 hour. So it closed a little below. On this daily, it closed below previous price. But we do got a nice support level right here, okay? It's a nice bottom. So we definitely looking for price to shoot up, explode, actually. You want to see price get all the way back up here. So be on the lookout for that. We definitely looking for buys on AU until it breaks this low. I know that's a long way, but that's what we're looking for. We're looking for long buys. That means the AUD will have to get strong. All right, so keep an eye on that. I'm currently in the red on that play right there. US Max, we missed this buy. Oh my God, that was nice. I ain't UJ. UJ, we did sell UJ off the 4 hour on Friday because it was in our zone. Listen, I used to only trade certain days, but now, shout out to T Mitch. I know we're not supposed to trade every day, but if it's in my zone, I'm trading it. Period. If it's in my zone, I don't care what day it is. We trade. That's facts. All right, so price bounced off here. We took our pips, smacked our TP at this first yellow line. Then we got back in at this white line off this 4 hour order block and took another 20 some odd pips back down to that TP1. Now we want to see price come back down all the way here. So just be on the lookout. We may get a push up first. We did take profit on this. We ate good off of UJ. So keep eye on UJ for the drops. That means the dollar should potentially get weak. I think that's pretty much it, family. Do me a favor, make sure you go to pimpin'ain'teasy.com and join the free profit channel. All right, the free profit channel. It is lit, as you see. We are definitely making money in here. There's the setups that will get sent out. Sunday morning markups, run the play with Sway. Make sure you lock in with the best broker in the game. As you can see, we do make money in this chat. It's not just cap. All right. We definitely send daily motivationals. As you see, we are making money. People are posting the bag. ACAD went crazy last week. And don't forget about Copy Trader, family. This is hands-free money if you do not know how to trade and want to get into trading and want to get some gains off of trading, make sure you go to the best broker in the game, hit the link below, and lock in and get your passive income off of copy trading, family. So make sure y'all just lock in, man. This is beautiful. As you can see, we definitely in our bag, doing what we got to do to get a bag. So, yeah, make sure y'all lock in, okay? Also, if you have not locked in yet, we got a lot of free games at the new Trap House, okay? So you go to the thenewtraphouse.com, right? And you lock in. We changing the narrative, family. Come lock in, get all this free information, free education, just a whole bunch of free value, family. So make sure y'all lock in and go to thenewtraphouse.com and get everything for free. We are changing the narrative, family. All right, that is another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. Y'all make sure y'all hit the link below. Lock in for the free channel. Lock in with the best broker in the game. Lock in with G.Ps as well, family. Become a game member today. Love you, family. Catch you next Sunday on Sunday Morning Markups. Let's get it.